Seedlings. Seedlings that were started indoors or undercover need to become acclimated to the outside elements. This is done by exposing them to the outdoor environment slowly by lengthening the hours until they are toughened up a bit. Next is provide them perfect weather. Perfect transplanting weather may not look like that you think it should. Drizzly or overcast weather is the ideal situation. If you don't see any ideal situation in the forecast, plant them in the early morning when there is the least amount of sun for them to contend with. Make sure to get them ready a few days before transplanting them outdoor. Provide them a boost of energy with some organic liquid fertilizer to help with any shock. Give them a drink of water several hours before planting them into their permanent home. Timing is very important. Make sure that they get couple of sets of true leaves before transplanting them outdoor. Your plants will thank you if you have their new home set up and ready to go before you pull them out of their containers. This allows for minimal transplant shock because the roots aren't overexposed to the elements like the sun or wind. So ensure that you dig holes first before you are moving out the plants out of containers. Handle them carefully when you are removing tiny plants from their containers. Do it gently, taking care not to bang or smash the roots. Try to keep as much of the original soil around the roots as you possibly can. A tool such as small trowel used carefully is fine, but always prefer hands because it gives an awareness of how much pressure. Now let us study in brief few another methods of sowing seeds such as planting and putting seeds behind the plow. So how is planting done? It is the placing of vegetative part of crops which are vegetatively propagated in the laid out field. Example, tubers of potato, mother sets of ginger and turmeric, cuttings of sweet potato and grapes, and sets of sugarcane. And the last is putting seeds behind the plow. It is dropping of seeds behind the plow in the furrow with the help of manual labor by hand. This method is followed for crops like wall or gram in some areas for better utilization of soil moisture. The seeds are covered by successive furrow opened by the plow. This method is not commonly followed for sowing of the crops. So this was all about this session, transplanting or sowing of seeds. In the next session, we'll be discussing about developing the irrigation schedule. Thank you.